organizing my pantry for basically my entire life. And I just really, really want ham. But actually I was able to do it on kind of a budget. Okay, let me show you my vision and planning for this pantry. You're gonna die when you see how messy it is. It's embarrassing. But that's real life. Like, I haven't touched that or done anything. I mean, it's been like 7 months of living in here, so now it's just filled with a ton of random shit. But it's gonna look really, really good. So what I did is I measured from here to here. Like, I got a tape measure, and then from this. But anyways, I measured all of it, and then I took a picture of it. I put it into Canva, which was so helpful. So here, let me show you. I put it into Canva, and then over it, I made boxes of where everything is. So I have like 12 inches because that's the size of the containers that I found. So 12 inches, 12 inches, 12 inches. My things were 36, so that adds up to 36. And then that's for alcohol. I have all of this, like, I have random appliances here. These are gonna go into one of the cabinets, but I have these random appliances, and then my sister has all of this just like random NutriBullet stuff, so I got a container for that. So like in here, I have like Shelby NutriBullet, and then I have chips and cereal. I don't know, this just helped me make sure, one, that all of the bins that I was getting will actually fit, and two, that every single thing I'm hoping will have a spot to go. So that worked out really, really well for me. Highly recommend. I just like took the picture on my phone and then brought it into Canva and then just put boxes and words all over it. So that is kind of the plan. I guess let me tell you a little like 2-second version of the plan. Okay, alcohol, appliances on here with that one bin for these appliances or appliance accessories. Then I want 2 large containers for chips. I organized my fridge, hate it, like literally we all hate it in this apartment because the containers are so small that like leftover boxes don't fit in it, random things don't fit in it. So we're going larger so we can just throw random stuff in it. So I got larger containers for this, some cereal boxes, and then I have even an extra container in the back for like extra cereal, just in case if that happens. Then I have a pasta container, a like Mexican container. Then I got a turntable. I have turntables in my bathroom and under my kitchen sink. They're the best for organization. So I got those to put just like random cans in. Baking stuff down here. I'm moving my cooking. I have like my cooking binder and some other recipe books that I'm gonna move to the bottom. I don't know. That's kind of my plan. I'm also just gonna go with it. I have like enough containers, I think, that we can just I don't know, figure it out as we go. So that's that. So I was trying to do this on a budget. One, I'm like in an apartment, so I'm not gonna be in this pantry forever. And I also wanted to get stuff that I would easily be able to move to like a different space. And what was shocking that I found, I was like going to different websites and looking at like Target, Amazon, I don't know, random places just to see like where the prices were better. And IKEA had like so much stuff that was way cheaper than Amazon and Target, at least from what I was seeing. So what I ended up getting was, it was gonna be like cheap, and then just because of these, so these are like $5 from the Container Store, and they're so big. And I actually found out later after I ordered all these that IKEA has the same exact ones and they're even $1 cheaper. So it's not that big of a price difference, but yeah, so these are super cheap, and I got like 8 of them. Instead of these in medium size, I ended up getting these from the Container Store, which were more expensive, but even then, like, these were cheaper than they would have been at Target. So these I think were like $9 each, and I do like these just because I think that like this is so white that this will add some texture into the pantry. Not that it really, I mean, it's behind a closed door, but it'll still look good. I got some, these are from Amazon. The rest of this is from Amazon. So cereals are from Amazon. Wish they weren't so cloudy. I think they'd look better clear, but it's fine. These are so cute for flour and sugar. Amazon. I'll do like a blog post with everything in this. These turntables, Amazon. And then I got these bin clips, which I just think are so cute. And we'll just add in some gold. I don't know. so that's where everything's from. And then I think my game plan is I'm gonna take everything out of the pantry and just like get rid of expired things or anything that I can donate and clear it out. And then I'm gonna put all of these in and just make sure that everything actually fits. Update, everything's out. It's disgusting. I'm embarrassed on how dirty that is down there, so I'm gonna vacuum and just clean everything. And then we have all of our food distributed into categories, which I have enough food to feed. This is like kind of sad in a way, but also I'm very grateful looking at all of this. We got rid of all of the like bad food. There was just random things that were basically almost empty, like chips and stuff. We have all of this alcohol. You can tell we're from Wisconsin. And then I'm just gonna clean, and then I think that what we should do next is just get everything in place. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so we have 3 12-inch containers for alcohol. Wow.
Woo!
Look at that. Okay. We have the backup cereal and then the cereal bins, which we need to take the things out of, but let's just get it replaced. It was actually hard to find cereal bins that weren't over like a foot, so they'd actually fit.
What do you mean?
Which is why I had to get, because I wanted to get like the cute clear ones, but then they went too high, so I was able to like put it in. And we have 2 of these next to it for chips. Oh, maybe not. That's actually perfect. Oh, my fridge measurements did not go this well. I guess we have more baking stuff, so we have 2 of these. 2 of these over here for Mexican and pasta. I think that if it was just the white, it would.
Yeah, I like
good.
it. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. And then we have this one for chicken broth. I have written down.
Oh my gosh, do you always have that much chicken broth?
Yeah, because of my slow cooker meal.
Oh.
I use chicken broth all the time. All right, then we have this 12-inch turntable. Okay, then we have these 7-inch canisters. Oh my god. My butt just knocked out.
Oh my god.
That looks so good. Okay. This is where I'm a little nervous that things aren't gonna fit. So then we have 2 of these for baking stuff, which I have a lot of baking stuff.
Yeah, you do.
Or I might just need, no, actually it might work, okay. You might be in business. All right, here.
Yeah, you'll be good.
This is for like extra beer
Mm-hmm.
and drinks. And then I have the s'mores one, so I got an extra.
Oh yeah. Cute.
I actually love these white bins too, so I'm just gonna keep this and then use it to organize my pantry with. All right, I kind of want to organize the alcohol by like alcohol and how much I use it. So I drink tequila often. And then what else do I drink often?
Malibu.
Malibu and vodka. So hopefully those all fit. Look how perfect that worked out.
Love. Is that gonna be like?
No, I don't know how I'm gonna get it up.
Yeah, hard to get up and down.
Okay, so right off the bat, there's an issue with the alcohol, but I think it's only gonna be an issue for this top shelf. It's like super heavy to grab, but I'm usually only grabbing from this one, and then I can just pull it out like that. Also, everyone in my life besides like Sarah and I are tall, so
Yeah.
I don't think it'll be an issue
have.
for them. And then for this one, it's just we can't see the stuff, so like we have little things like that. But so that's kind of not practical. But that's the only one. Everything else we can see, so I don't think that's. Next, we have the appliance shelf, which I was telling Sarah that I want an appliance like pantry one day, and she's like, "What are you gonna put in there?" I'm like, I have so many random things. Okay, so Shelby's NutriBullet just has like random accessories, and then I have random accessories too for my things, and they just are kind of like out and ugly. So I'm just gonna fill these in here. Which, look how cute this is. $9 at Target. And it's heart. Like, that would be so cute for a Valentine's party. Alright.
Appliances are in.
Appliances are in, and I think they look awesome. Alright, now it's gonna be the actual time if we can actually fit everything in. Let's get the cereal in first. I should probably wash these.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, probably. Okay, I'm gonna wash them. Perfect. And maybe it'll stay fresher longer because it's in a.
Probably.
Yeah. Beautiful. Okay. Now the chips, which is going to be challenging.
I feel like it'll all fit.
I
Yeah.
don't think it's going to.
They're not so.
You can do all of them.
Yeah.
Perfect. Does it look messy?
It's not gonna get any better.
It's not gonna get any
You
better.
can't make it look
This is
better.
real life. Real life food. Okay. Then we have cheese board stuff. Which I need to make more cheese boards.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. These containers actually hold like a decent amount of things. And this shows me like the stuff that I have to.
Well, now you you know what was in the back of the pantry just
Now I
sitting
know
there.
like everything that I own. Okay, that looks great. Let's do the pasta. There's just no way.
Nope.
There's literally
Literally no way. It's gonna hold like 4 things.
I have these. And I think everything else would fit on the.
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, we might just have to. It looks like shit, but. It looks so good. I don't know if we're gonna be able to fit everything on here.
What's the turntable for?
Just like these like diced tomato, the canned goods. Tomatoes could probably go in one. That fish sauce we'll like never use. I mean, does that look?
No, it works.
That works.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's so nice.
Yeah.
Okay, now the baking one, which is actually gonna be fun. Cute. So I have that small turntable, which is where I think we should put like these.
Yeah.
Which I don't know how many will fit, but. Perfect.
Nice.
Okay. That looks so good, right?
Mhm.
This whole video is just gonna be me. Oh my god, it looks so good.
Yeah, literally.
I need to stop saying that. Literally, the Skinny Taste cookbooks are just the best.
So good.
cookbooks. You have one too, right, Sarah?
We have like 2 of them, I think.
Okay, that looks great. And my recipe binder is like what I use 90% of the time. Perfect. Drinks. And we're done. No way that I can lift this without dropping one.
Oh!
Wow. Oh shit.
So close.
So close. Alright, now we just need to take the tags off. Oh my gosh, wait, we forgot the binder clip, or the,
Oh yeah.
yeah, and these will make it look like, alright. So these were unnecessary. For sure unnecessary. But I think they'll make it look like really good. Okay, if I can get it to go. That looks great. Pantry is done and I'm so happy with how it turned out. It obviously looks good, but I think that it's like practical and can work with my everyday life. Even from like the labels, we just kept it super generic and open. And I'm really excited that this is something that I get to open every single morning. It sounds cheesy, but it's like honestly a dream.
Well, and now you know what's in your pantry. Like,
and
you
I know
found so much random stuff.
So many things. And I think it gives me like a good limit on, clearly I don't need to buy any more pasta. So it kind of shows me like what can fit, what don't, what I need to use. And I'm just really excited about it. And we did it for, I don't want to say budget, but like cheaper. Because it could have gone up like a lot more expensive. So that is how I organize my pantry and just like my pantry organization, even for an apartment, which is gonna be super easy to transition into a home one day. So I'm super excited about that. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do a ton of decorating, organization, cleaning videos, and then also follow me on Instagram at @Sophia Lee.